Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to use Trello for recruitment purposes. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Trello.com, and it's going to bring you to your dashboard here with all your boards and your workspaces. And you're going to go up to this button called Create, and you're going to click on that, and it'll have an option to start with a template. And we're going to click that button there, and it'll bring up a list of templates that you can use, but we're going to go to Explore Templates. And this will bring up even more templates that you can use for your projects. We're going to go up to the search bar and type in Recruitment. And here the second option is the one we want, Hiring and Recruitment Template. And we click on that, and it'll bring you to a page that shows you what it'll look like. And it's going to have how-to tutorials, as well as new applicants, interview schedules, interviews in progress, offers sent and closed. And so we like this template, so we're going to go ahead and click Use Template, and you get a chance to name it. I just named mine My Recruitment Board, and we're going to click Create. Now here it actually popped up with a pop-up that says that it needs to connect to Crumble for my Trello account to use this template. So I hit yes, and I went down all the way down the pop-up, and I hit allow, and it comes up with a congratulations screen, and it'll tell you to refresh your screen to get started using your new template board. And here you have it. We've got a recruitment board with all the how-tos and all the other options there. We're going to add an applicant 1, and just to show you the workflow of moving through the steps, move them over to interviews scheduled, move them over to interviews in progress, and so on, just like that. And so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.